Hi guys, my name is Victor. Welcome to DIY Time channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a dashboard in your car. I'm going to do this on the example of my Nissan Altima. However, the same general approach will also work with many other car brands and models. In my case, the dashboard was in a very bad shape. It had a lot of cracks and some mold. The plastic was crumbling and falling apart in some places, and it was sticky and gooey from the sun on the very top. Also, I just want to warn you, before you try to replace the dashboard, check with the manufacturer. Sometimes they issue recalls for bad dashboards, and they may replace it for you for absolutely free. Unfortunately for my car, there was a recall for this issue, but it was already expired and I couldn't take advantage of it. If you wonder where we've got the replacement dashboard, in general, there are 3 places where you can get them from. Number 1, the most expensive option would be to get them from the dealer, which I do not recommend because the cost will be extremely high. Number 2, you can possibly find it on eBay, but it still might be a little pricey because this is a very large item and the shipping cost will be pretty high. And if you want, I can leave a link down in the description area below where you can find good used dashboards for sale on eBay. And number 3, probably the most reasonable and affordable option would be to go and get it from the junkyard. We paid for a replacement dashboard in really good condition, only $50 there. The only downside, you have to take it off yourself, but the good thing is you can safely practice taking the old dashboard out without breaking anything. Alright, let's get started, but before we do anything, I suggest disconnecting the battery, because there are going to be a lot of electrical components under the dashboard, and we do not want to accidentally damage any of them. The very first thing that we're going to need to remove is the shifter handle. Next, remove 2 Phillips screws on the back side of the center console. Remove 2 plastic panels in the footwells. And then take out 2 more Phillips screws. Remove another plastic panel from under the head unit to reveal 2 more Phillips screws. Carefully detach the center air vents and try not to break them. Unplug the electrical connectors in the back of the air vent. Take out 2 Phillips screws holding the head unit. Take out the head unit and unplug the electrical connectors in the back. Remove and disconnect the shifter panel. Take out the storage compartment and disconnect the power connector. Remove 2 more Phillips screws. Unplug the connector for the second power outlet. Now with everything unscrewed and disconnected, we're going to be able to lift up and take out the center console. Now we're going to move on and remove the scuff panel. Remove this section of the rubber weather seal out of the way. Take out the plastic panel on the side. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the Phillips screw. There's going to be one more hiding near the fuse box. Take out the knee panel. Remove yet another Phillips screw underneath it. Next, we're going to need to remove all of the screws holding the glove box compartment. unplug 2 electrical connectors, and then take out the glove box compartment. Remove 2 more Phillips screws and 1 nut. Now we need to disconnect the airbag. Make sure that the car battery was unplugged for at least 1 minute. Next, remove the speaker grill. For that, you may also need to remove this panel on the side. Disconnect the speaker connector. Remove 10mm bolt. Next, let's move on to the steering wheel. Remove 1 Phillips screw underneath it. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and right to reveal 2 more screws. You may need to reconnect the battery to be able to do that. Now you're going to be able to take off the plastic covers. Here's another Phillips screw that needs to come out. Next, take out the odometer screen with a push to start button and unplug the electrical connectors in the back. Remove 2 Phillips screws holding the odometer. Next, take out the odometer and unplug the electrical connectors in the back. Take out another Phillips screw that was hiding behind the odometer. Unplug the connector for curtain airbag. Before you do this, make sure that the battery was unplugged for at least 1 minute. Now this side of the dashboard is completely detached. Remove the plastic cover on the driver's side. There's no more bolts holding the dashboard on this side. Lift it up just a little bit and then unplug the speaker connector on the bottom. And now, finally, we're going to be able to lift up and take out the dashboard. Don't forget to take out and transfer the airbag onto your new dashboard. Install the new dashboard in the reverse order of removal. Alright guys, this is it. I hope the video was helpful, and if so, please give me a like. Thank you for watching it and have a nice day.